Okay, I am going to demo how to use the Edit Coordinates button. Ignore that problem, I'm not doing that one. I just wanted to do a sample to show you how to use this. So let's say I have this inequality right here, and I need to graph it, and my y-intercept is -4/3. When I enlarge my graph and choose my point plotting tool, you can see that the graph will not let me go to -1 1/3. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my first dot on -1, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my slope anyway, even though I know I'm going to have to edit that coordinate as well. Once I have a line down, I can go back and select my first dot, and I get an Edit Coordinates button that pops up right here. When I click that, this box pops up. So now what I can do is I can actually hand edit the correct y-intercept, which is -4/3. Just hit submit, and you can now see on the graph that it actually shifted my plot point down to -1 1/3. So from there I need to go another whole 1 and then over 2, which means this point also needs to be shifted down. So when I select that point, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to go into Edit Coordinates. I'm just going to have to calculate what it should be at. It's still going to stay on the same x because I'm still going over 2, but it's going to adjust my y coordinate that goes with that. So from -1 1/3, I need to go down to -2 1/3. When I put that in as a mixed number, actually, I'm going to try to, nope, won't let me do that. I'm just going to put that in as an improper fraction. I'm going to put that in as -7/3 and hit submit. And you can see that it just shifted that down just a little bit. And I now have a line graphed that has a y-intercept of -1 1/3 or -4/3 if you will. And it goes down 1 and to the right 2. And that is how you use the Edit Coordinates to actually specifically get the coordinates that you want on those points when it's not a nice clean integer and you have fractional or decimal points.